Hey there! Today we are tackling an interesting problem involving a data frame. The problem at hand is that we have a data frame called DF with several columns of random values in a selection column. We want to calculate the sum of specific columns row-wise based on the values in the selection column. Now, let's dive into the solution. In the provided code snippet, we use a combination of functions like mutate, pivot_lambda, and reframe to calculate the sum of the desired columns efficiently. The code allows us to create a new column, value_sum, that holds the sum of columns ranging from value_2022 to a dynamically selected column based on the selection value. Continuing with the solution, the resulting data frame presented in a neat table format shows the original columns along with the newly computed value_sum column. Each row now includes the sum calculated as required, providing a clear overview of the data and the computations made. Moving on to another approach in the solution, we use the rowwise function to perform row-wise operations efficiently. By calculating the sum across the specified columns based on the selection value for each row, we can derive the value_sum column accurately and effectively. Building upon the last code snippet, the final data frame output showcases the results of the row-wise sum operation. Each row now includes the computed sum in the value_sum column, giving a comprehensive view of the data with the desired calculations applied. To get started and replicate the problem scenario, we generate the initial data frame DF with random values and the selection column set to specific values. This data frame serves as the foundation for practicing the solutions provided earlier. In summary, we explored various ways to calculate row-wise sums in a data frame based on dynamically selected columns. By leveraging different functions and approaches in R, we achieve the desired results efficiently and effectively. Remember, if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below. Until next time.